And go.
Hey y'all, my name's Rough Randy. If you live on Fairfield Island like me, you're gonna need to be ready for the big one, and that's the level 9 earthquake, on the Richter scale. Just in case if you are confused with the Rough Randy scale. Gonna try to keep up. I'm gonna show you the new survival. As I was saying before, you are gonna need something to survive a level 9 earthquake on Fairfield Island. So I'm here to introduce to you our new survival bag. Rough Randy approved. Now in this bag you'll have everything, and I say everything you and your family of 4 need to survive a level 9 earthquake. First things first, water. You need enough so that your family of 4, each member can drink 2 liters of water a day. Well, joke's on you, we don't have that much in our backpack because it would make it too heavy. Instead, we have a gravity filter, which filters dirty water through the straw, through the filter with gravity into pure water. Another thing you will need in your bag is food. Enough to keep your family of 4 running nice and healthily for 3 days. Lucky for you, we've got just the thing. Energy bars. Each bar has enough calories to keep you and your family running for 1/3 of a day, which is not a lot of a day, but eat about 3 of them per day, and you'll be all good for all the rest of the day. Are you getting this, camera guy? Awesome. All right, one of the most important things you're gonna need is personal toiletries. That's toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, which I don't use or have, and of course, toilet paper. And if you're like me, gonna need a lot. Another very useful item in this here backpack is this radio, which is also a flashlight. And it's all powered by a hand crank. It's got a flashlight, it's got a light bar, it's got sick tunes, AM, FM, and PM. Do you want to get A's for the first time during a catastrophe? Well, lucky for you, in our survival bag, there is a first aid kit for most of your medical needs, but not all of them. If you have specific ones, you need to add the medications for yourself for a few days, I guess. Up next in this bag, you'll find 4 of these bivy blankets, which are made of our finest materials to keep you warm up to -20 degrees Celsius. Amazing! Up next in the backpack, we have a power bank for most of your charging needs. This will charge your phone 4 times before it runs out of juice itself. Now, what if you rely on your GPS to go everywhere and your battery is dead, so you don't know how to get places? Well, lucky for you, we've packed your local phone book inside of this backpack so that you will know exactly where to go because there's maps in here, and you will know how to get places. Right here, look, it's a map, so you'll know how to get places. So what if somebody tells you something and you forget it? Well, you know what you're gonna need to do? You're gonna need to write it down! So lucky for you, we've got a handy dandy notebook and writing stick. So if you're like Rough Randy, you have a lot of debt on your credit card, but that doesn't stop you from using it, except the fact that a credit card won't work in a catastrophe. So what we're doing is we're gonna sell you cash. We're selling you cash so you can spend it on anything that you want. If you're like Rough Randy here, you will have perfect vision. But if you're not, you need an extra pair of glasses or contacts just like this that we have supplied for you in the bag. If you're in danger in this catastrophe and you need to alert somebody of your position, you're gonna need a whistle. Well, lucky for you, there is a whistle built into this backpack that blows at a mind-blowing 100 and something decibels. you can buy all of this for an amazing 20 bitcoins only. But wait, there's more. Sometimes in Canada, especially in winter, it'll get so cold that your little buddies freeze off. Well, lucky for you, there's an expansion pack with clothes that may or may not fit you. You can get that for an extra 30 bitcoins. Now off to Bear Grylls to teach you how to actually use the survival kit and how to make yourself safe for the earthquake.
Yes, thank you, Randy. For those of you at home who didn't catch that, my name is Bear Grylls. That's Baregrills, and I'm going to teach you how to survive the 3 days following a natural disaster such as a level 9 earthquake on Fairfield Island. As you can see, it's a little stormy outside, and that's why I'm wearing my survival boots, so don't ask me about it ever again, Gerald. So before I talk about after the earthquake, I must talk about during. So during the earthquake, when it's quaking the earth, you must get under a heavy table or something of the sort to protect you from falling objects like this light fixture right above me. You must stay under the table until 60 seconds after the quaking or aftershocks have stopped, and then you must evacuate the premises. Alright, so after an earthquake, you're gonna need to shut off your utilities. First things first, the gas. Follow me. Here's what your gas valve may look like. So the gas comes out of the ground, and there's a shut off, and then it goes into the house, and you're gonna need to shut off this by turning it 90 degrees. The other utilities that you should turn off are your water and your electric, but make sure to stand on a non-conductible surface such as my prosthetic feet. Wow, time sure does fly and it chases the sun away. Anywho, let's talk about liquefaction, cause it's gonna happen. What I mean by liquefaction is that the ground will shake so hard that the light things, including water and air pockets, will rise to the surface, and the heavy things like your house will sink into the ground. So after the earthquake hits and the ground liquefies, make sure to stay out of your home and off bridges because they are probably going to be unstable, about as unstable as me, that is. Go to your planned meeting spot with your family or neighbors, and if you don't have a meeting spot, make sure to make one in a safe place where there'll be no falling debris or down power lines, because those are dangerous. Once you are at your meeting spot, remember to tune in to your local radio station for news about the catastrophe. It's this radio that we gave to you in our products. Please buy it. Quick to bring your vape. So in a level 9 earthquake, the cell towers will probably go down. So don't bother anybody with your damn cell phone about it. And also, remember to ration your food. And when you filter your water, use the cleanest water possible so the filter stays good for the longest amount of time. Chicken boy!